No dating, no marriage, no man. Women across America go on sex strike to protest Trump's re-election. Unusual protest after Trump's re-election. After Donald Trump was re-elected as the 47th US president, emotions flared on social media. Many were particularly concerned about the impact his win might have on women's rights, especially reproductive freedoms and gender equality. But some women have decided to turn their frustration into a striking form of protest, owing to swear off man through a sex strike inspired by South Korea's 4B movement. What is the 4B movement? The 4B movement started in South Korea in 2019 as a feminist stand against patriarchy, where women pledged to avoid heterosexual relationships together. The 4B represent 4 Korean words for no sex, no dating, no marriage, and no children with man. Women following the 4B movement believed these actions could disrupt traditional gender expectation and fight male dominance. This trend quickly spread online in South Korea, with women supporting each other in a new lifestyle that rejected romantic relationships with men. Could such a radical movement find the same traction in the United States? Why now? Because women are worried. Trump's re-election stirred fears about the future of reproductive rights. During his campaign, Vice President Kamala Harris voiced concerns that Trump would try to restrict abortion access, a topic that remains highly controversial in the US. Trump's history of allegedly sexist remarks further fueled anxieties among American women, and his win raised questions about whether society still struggles with his female leadership at the highest level. Following the election, several women voiced their disappointment. Social media became a hub for expressions of dismay, with posts like, "Ladies, it's time to close off your wombs to males. This election proves they hate us proudly." The collective sentiment echoes a deeper mistrust, and many women have turned to each other for comfort, promoting the idea of female sovereignty. Would a sex strike work in the US? While the idea of a sex strike or abstaining from relationships with men has a powerful symbolic meaning, some social media users doubt its effectiveness. Would a protest against romantic relationships and childbearing gain enough momentum to spark real change? Or is it more about a broader statement on women's rights and independence? The role of social media. Platforms like TikTok and X are abuzz with this, as women encourage each other to seek out relationships with other women, support women-owned businesses, and invest in female-led media. For these women, it's not just about protesting Trump, it's about creating a support system where women are empowered, valued, and respected. Some people are even suggesting a step further, with posts humorously proposing collective hysterectomies and breaking up with Republican boyfriends. These dramatic messages underscore the anger felt by some women, with many insisting that this form of protest will help challenge societal structures that they believe have failed them. A movement or a meltdown. While the 4B-inspired sex strike is trending, not everyone is convinced that it's a viable long-term movement. Critics argue that abstaining from relationships isn't likely to change political dynamics, and some questions if such a movement would catch on across a diverse country like the US. But supporters believe that the message of independence and women's empowerment might inspire other forms of activism, bringing attention to the issues that matter to them. Could a no-man movement be the ultimate protest against Trump's re-election? It remains to be seen if the 4B movement will truly gain momentum in the US, or if it will remain a social media-driven form of protest. Could this be the beginning of a larger movement towards redefining gender roles, or is it a temporary reaction to Trump's re-election? For now, American women have found an outlet to express frustration and disappointment by leaning on each other, pledging support, and using their voices to demand respect and equality. Whether this protest turned into a lasting shift in relationships remains uncertain, but it has undeniably sparked conversations about women's rights and gender expectation in today's society.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.